Actually, you're pretty good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm that 1320 chick, and unfortunately in this video I will not be going to the track as a driver again. We did receive the part for my trans in time for today, but it turns out that valve bodies cannot just be replaced, slapped together, and good to go. They have to be unlocked, and then my tune has to go back to Whipple, and it's a little bit of an ordeal, so I'm a little bit bummed, especially because I was very excited that the part was here in time. Thank you again to my friend Caitlin, Kate Jixer on Instagram. I'm going to tag her below, but we are going to take our friend Ken's new Whippled Mustang to the track instead. I'm really bummed because my dad is a sponsor for this event, and it's Payso's one of his first streetcar modern shootouts, so I'm definitely sick of being a spectator. But again, it's really hot out, so I'm not going to be setting the world on fire anyway, so bright side, or I guess light at the end of the tunnel. But hopefully we'll be good to go for Streetcar Takeover Indy next week. So I will catch you back at the track.
My boy Ken right here, another beautiful new Mustang. Which one y'all like, the orange or the blue one? Which one y'all like? I like that gray one. You like that orange one? Lorenzo like the gray one. If you play Overwatch, you know what this license plate means. It says Nerf Fit. All my gamers out there, that's Diva. That's why I play Overwatch. Alright, here we go. Ken and Silver's in the house. I might as well go take the vet and leave it at home. Beautiful. I gotta say, I'm glad he put some tape on the back of that thing. I wouldn't want to have a bunch of rubber making sure you don't see that beautiful thing.
car slow.
Got the money out of the nuts. So one that Leo has, yeah, that we just talked about, something that's not there, $350 a piece on sale. I was like, I'm all about that. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, these are.
My dad is first, and he is against Eric. He has a V&P blower. Car's been running great, so it'll definitely be close. I think my dad's gonna have to tree him off the light, but I think this will be a fun little shootout. I'm just bummed because I feel like I probably could have won this. Everyone's joking and calling my car 2020. I love it. What do you guys think? Cobra? 18.
Oh my goodness, look at this matchup. And I hear everyone right now, there are tons and tons of bets being created right now on the starting line because this matchup is going to be very, very interesting. It will. Hard competitor here in the BETTOGH performance 5.0 and Payso in the Z06 get around the 5.0
So unfortunately we're chubbies and didn't make it up there in time, but the orange Mach 1 ended up beating the Mystic Chrome Cobra. So apparently something is wrong because the Cobra is much faster than the Mach. So we are going back to their pit to see what's wrong, and then the gray S550 ended up getting a bye, so he'll be against the Mach 1. Since we know that the S550 is going to win against the Mach 1, I know that sounds pessimistic, but my dad works on both of them and we're aware of what both of them run. So we are dying and sweating and just sick of being in the heat. So we are actually going to head out. This bums me out a ton because I am pretty sure my car would have won this. Even the promoter, Payso, came up to me and said, I told you you would have won this. And so it's like rubbing a little extra salt in that wound, but at least the car will be ready for next weekend, or at least fingers crossed that it will. But Payso said that he's going to do another one of these modern shootouts probably in October, so my car will be really competitive if the weather's nice and really competitive if it stays together. So another video, taking it for the team, videoing and having fun at the track. So it's better than sitting at home, and right now it's a little bit better than doing house projects. So at least we're out at the track. But we closed on our old house, so we are ordering the trans on Monday for the SN. So we are really excited to start doing that again. And the goal for that car is still Mustang Week, which if I did a countdown right now, it'd probably only be, if I had to do mental math, probably 45 days away. So, well, good thing it's just Brian and I, and we can do all-nighters if we choose to. So hopefully the SN will be ready for Mustang Week. My car will be ready for anything, and we will be good to go and have the rest of the summer to relax and have fun with our cars. It's been 5 years since Brian and I have had our Mustangs together, but we used to have CTSVs before, so we used to cruise in our Vs, but I definitely want to see his Mustang running again. So I will talk to you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed it.